In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CC recipients to a send email action in a Salesforce flow. This is a quick configuration inside Flow Builder, but it's important to do it carefully so your email automation includes the right copied recipients and works exactly as expected. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to Salesforce. Once you're inside your Salesforce environment, go to Setup. In the Setup search area, type Flows and open the Flows section. This is where you can access and manage your workflow automations. From there, open the specific flow you want to work on so you can enter the Flow Builder workspace. Make sure you're opening the correct flow layout where your email automation is being designed. Once the Flow Builder canvas is visible, you'll be working directly in the visual logic area where the automation steps are arranged. Next, locate the place in your flow where you want the email to be sent. Add a send email action component to the flow canvas in the appropriate path of your automation. This action is what handles the outbound email message. So placing it correctly in the flow matters. You want it to appear in the active logic stream where the email should actually trigger during execution. After adding the send email action, click into it to open the configuration panel. In the action settings, look through the parameter input section until you find the field labeled CC recipients or CC addresses list. Depending on your Salesforce configuration or version, the wording may vary slightly, but it will refer to the carbon copy recipient area for the email action. When you find that option, enable it if it isn't already active. Then enter the collection of CC email values you want to use. These may be text variables or other values already prepared in your flow. Be sure the content you enter is formatted the way your flow expects, because the send email action relies on accurate input values to deliver copies successfully. Once the CC recipient field is filled in, review the rest of the send email action settings to make sure everything aligns with your automation logic. Then save your flow so the new configuration is retained. That's all it takes to add CC recipients to a send email action in Salesforce Flow. If you're making changes in a live automation, it's also a good idea to test the flow afterward to confirm the email sends correctly and the copied recipients are included as intended.